The following meditation will help and support you, that you will feel more and more as a winner in life. As more you repeat this meditation, as stronger you will get results. I please you to lie down and relax. Breathe deep in your body and allow your body to react. And as you breathe deeper in your body, you feel how you are safe and protected. And each muscles in your body relax more and more. I please you to breathe slowly in your left breast and have a 4. I am full of courage. Whatever I do, say, and also what's happened, I am sure in myself. I am a winner. And I always reach my goals. I am full of self-control and I never give up. I trust myself and my feelings. I really know I can get everything. I love myself and everything what I do. I am a winner. Breathe deep in your left breast and allow yourself to share this emotion with all around you. Share it as strong and much you can, more and more. And as you breathe deep in your left breast, you take this amazing feeling slowly over to your right breast and share this emotion with all around you more and more. Take this feeling now slowly down in front of your tailbone, your chakra 1, and share it with all around you, this amazing feeling of a winner. And slowly I please you to take this feeling up through your spinal, slowly up to your head. When you arrived by your head, you allowed yourself to share this emotion more and more with all around you. And you have a thought. I love myself. I am great and I am super. I can do everything. I am a winner.